If you watched the last video, we built a class diagrams. We defined our objects, the member, the books, and the system. That was the statics blueprint, like a map of a car engines. But a map doesn't tell you what's happened when you turn the key. Today, we are making a sequence diagrams. This is a dynamic view. It shows us exactly how those classes talk to each other, and most importantly, the order which they do it. And it adds a dimensional time of your design. So what is the sequence diagrams? It is an interaction diagrams that details how operations are carried out. The most distinctive feature is the lifeline, these vertical dash lines. Times flow from top to bottoms. The interaction starts at the top and then moves down. Why do developers need this? Because while the class diagrams tells them what's to code, the sequence diagrams tells them the specific logic the function calls. It solves the chicken and egg problems, which piece of data that needs fetch first. Let's open Drawio and find the UML 2.0 shapes library. Here are three components that you need to master. The first one is the lifeline. This is a rectangle with a dashed line dropping down. This represents an instance of a class, like a specific member. The second one is the activation bar. This is that thin, long rectangle that sits on top of the dashed line. It represents when that object is effective, active, or thinking. And the third one is the message. There are two components on the message. First is solid arrow filled with head. This is a synchronous calls do this and wait. And then dash arrow reply message like here is the data that you asked for. Let's map out the exact sequence of borrowing a book application. First, we need to make a tree lifeline and also the activation bar. We name it member system and then object. Sorry, I mean database. Step 2, the request. The member starts the process. And then label it as request borrow. After that, the system cannot say yes yet. It needs to check the inventory. Is the book available or not? And then we label it checks availability. After that, the reply. The database check its record. Now it needs to reply. We will label it is available is true. Don't forget change to line to dot. And then the confirmations. Now that system is now the book is here. It can confirm the user. We will label it display successful. And there you go. You have fully sequence diagrams about borrowing a book. So first member request a book to the system, and then the system check the availability to the database. Then the database confirm is the book available, then it's true. And if the book is true available, and then the system will reply to the member, yes, the display is success. And there you have it. You have now documented the full life cycle of your project using Draw.io. So first, we're making a flowchart for the basic idea, and then we're making a use case diagram for the requirements, and then activity diagram for the workflows, then a class diagram for the code structure, and this one, the sequence diagram for the interaction logic. If you have these 5 diagrams, you can build almost any piece of software in the world. So thank you so much for watching this series. If this script saved you the assignment or help you projects, please press that like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.